For the first time in history, gold has crossed $5,000 an ounce. Not slowly and not quietly, but in a rush driven by fear, uncertainty, and a growing crisis of confidence in the global system. So, what is pushing gold to record highs, and what does it signal? Gold has surged past a level many thought would take years to reach. On Monday, spot gold jumped nearly 2% to around $5,081 an ounce after briefly touching $5,093. And this move did not come out of nowhere. Gold is already up more than 17% this year. And in 2025 alone, it surged 64%, marking its strongest annual performance in decades. This is a historic rally. But why is gold soaring? In one word, uncertainty. The immediate trigger has been a growing crisis of confidence in the US administration and in US assets, following a string of erratic policy moves over the past week. Tensions between Washington and NATO allies over Greenland have added to the unease, and trade threats are back on the table. Over the weekend, US President Donald Trump warned of a 100% tariff on Canada if it moves ahead with a trade deal with China, a statement that immediately rattled markets. These foreign policy signals have unsettled investors. And when trust starts to fray, money typically moves to the oldest safe haven, gold. There is more driving this rally. The US dollar has weakened, making gold cheaper for buyers holding other currencies. At the same time, expectations are building around further interest rate cuts by the US Federal Reserve. Then there are central banks. They have been buying gold at record levels. China in particular has extended its gold buying spree for more than a year. Together, these shifts point to something deeper, a gradual move away from dollar dominance and towards hard assets. Gold is not alone in this surge. Silver has crossed $100 an ounce for the first time after rising 147% last year. Platinum and palladium have also touched multi-year or record highs. In silver's case, strong retail investor demand and tight physical supply are pushing prices higher. With markets also spooked by concerns including Trump's tariffs and fears that artificial intelligence-related stocks are overpriced, gold has repeatedly hit fresh records. Some analysts now believe the rally could extend further. Forecasts suggest prices could test $5,500 an ounce later this year. Yes, pullbacks are expected, but many believe each dip could attract fresh buying. Follow for more stories.